YouTube. Today, we are upgrading the gaming PC build that you just saw me build from 1080p 240Hz gaming to 1440p 240Hz gaming with an overclock of 260Hz, as well as 1440p 60 streaming. All right, to start this off, let's open up our first box, and that's from Amazon. Oh. Now, when it comes to game streaming, this right here, the HD60X is Elgato's latest capture card, and this offers a lot of great things. Beyond that, 1440p 60 for the stream, and up to 4K 30. And the beauty about this card is it maintains the analog audio input, which is something that's important to me that I need to maintain. So HD60X for the streaming side of things. One more box. We have a monitor arm. So the current monitor that I am running is a 1080p 240Hz eSport monitor, but it caps out at 1080p. And to bring you more quality, as well as to experience gaming quality of a higher source, and also to see what this gaming PC can push, because I am currently limited in this build by my GPU, which I am looking to upgrade with the next gen GPUs, 4090 preferably, or I can go 3090 Ti with all of the price drops. So either or, we'll see where we end up landing. Got the shock mount for the Wave 3 setup. That's the microphone that I'm planning to possibly use for streaming. I don't know, but the shock mount's gonna help get it set up and all of that with the Wavelink. And we also have these ground loop adapters just in case we get ground loop hum, which I think in the setup is an issue, but we're gonna correct that before we start streaming. Now, the main event. Boo! Oh! As you can see, whatever it is, it's an LG something. It's on the screen. Yeah. This is a 32-inch 1440p IPS panel, and it's the latest from LG. There was a 4K OLED one that I've seen people cover, but no one gave love to the 1440p 32-inch IPS panel. I'm here for you. I got you. I didn't think this unboxing out, so I got to set up for it. I'll be back. Boom. Woo. The monitor I had previously was only 24 inches, so we got, these are pretty big legs. This is, okay. I would go just straight VESA mount and put it up with the VESA mount, but I know you guys probably gonna wanna see. It's gonna take up a lot of real estate on the setup. Oh, this is a beefy monitor. This is not small. I just want you guys to know. Look at that monitor base. Wow. Look how big this is, yo. Oh, you know what? Here we go. Slide this down, as you guys can see, carefully. Boom. You go in from the top. You go downward, and this thing just clicks in. Woo! Actually. Okay, so let me clean this up real quick, and then I'm gonna get you guys some fire shots of that. Actually, switch to the fire shots. All right, you guys, so I want to show the performance of this PC. We just added this monitor, which brings us to 1440p gaming. So let's just see how this PC in its current configuration games in 1440p. Now I'm going into Call of Duty Warzone, which is a high performance game. I do have my settings set more for performance right now, so I'm not running like crazy graphics and things like that. As you can see, most things disabled low. I'm going just to get the most frame rates, like 100,000%. So basically what I'm about to do is I'm gonna use MSI Afterburner to run a benchmark while gaming. I've already ran one before this one, but we'll run another one, and then I'll pull up the notepad that shows you all of the results so we can see what the average frame rate that this PC is giving me at 1440p gaming. As I said, I got a 3080, which is more than capable. This card is fire, but there are also cards that are on a higher spectrum. So it's like, do I wanna go to those higher spectrum cards, or do I stay where I am? that is the next question, especially with the 4000 series around the corner. So we'll see. But nevertheless, let's get into the gameplay. Let me show you guys what the performance of this PC with the 1440p LG monitor is like. All right, player, let's drop on the ops and see what type of FPS we get, man.
Watch the skies. Targets are up. Take them out.
Dang, somebody getting melee. Bro, that's such cap, bro. Like, how? Payback. Bro, I'm getting shot by 2 people. I'm annoyed. Look at this dude laying prone in here, bro. Like, come on. Jeez. Anyways, nevertheless, let's end the benchmark. I ain't get to go crazy for y'all on that one, man. I'm kind of unfortunately pissed off about that. I want to turn up. You know, everybody wants to turn up when they trying to show what they can do. But nevertheless, let's get up out of Warzone and let's see what our benchmarks are like. So if I go into my settings, if I go to benchmarks and I click to view this, you guys are gonna see what these benchmarks are looking like. So 172, 176. Yeah, at the end of the day, I'm getting more than enough FPS. Now, granted, I'm not maxing out this monitor with this setup because my GPU is like the ceiling point to my system. So if I want to be able to max this out 240 FPS and so forth in 1440p, I probably need to move up to like a 3090 Ti or just wait for the 4090 series. The 4090 series are being rumored to be pretty lit, but there's an issue right now. All these manufacturers have too many 30 series cards. They're cutting prices like crazy, which is also very enticing to be able to get a 3090 Ti sliced all the way down to, I've seen like 1150 or something like that, which is nuts. And to be able to grab those higher end cards at lower prices or to wait for the 4090s, which might get pushed back and delayed just due to the fact that they're trying to dump all of their 30 series cards. It's kind of unfortunate predicament to be in, but at the end of the day, you guys, this system, this setup, this monitor, this sizing is just so much better for me overall for gaming and just using my PC. Like, now I feel more inclined to actually like get in over here and to use the PC to watch content. I got nice audio, I got a nice setup, so I can experience the PC, you know what I mean, for like enjoyability beyond gaming. This monitor right here is phenomenal. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a great monitor. Like, you can use this for your content creation, video editing. You can use this for your gaming, high refresh rate, and you can use this to chill and watch entertainment, all in quality. Nevertheless, this setup is absolutely fire, and I'm extremely enjoying the upgrades that I made. Adding the HD60X was the right way to go because now I can output 1440p to the stream. I still have yet to test that, but once I am able to test it, and the results will be when you guys pull up for the stream. Hello, I will be streaming on this channel, gameplay. Some days I'll do gaming with subscribers. Other days I'll just play with my still squad. Other days I'll be doing streams where we just talking and chilling and things like that. But those streams will not be saved. They will not be rewatchable. So when I'm streaming, if you want to pull up, you catch it, you catch the vibe. My name is CJ. Hit the subscribe button, smash the bell, turn on the bell, bro. The sub doesn't count unless you turn on the bell. That's just how YouTube moving. You know how I go. So turn on the bell, turn on post notifications, and pull up for the next video.